Welcome to Kingston Change Makers, a show about individuals and organizations striving to make Kingston the best it can be. Today we're here with Scott, Emily, and Jessica, the leads for Kingston's Ladies Learning Code. Welcome.
Thank you.
So tell me right off the bat, Ladies Learning Code. We have a guy here too. I want to know, Jessica, tell me a bit about Ladies Learning Code.
So Ladies Learning Code, it's a national not-for-profit. We operate in over 25 cities across Canada. We've been around for about 6 years now, and we're relatively new to Kingston. We just celebrated our 1-year anniversary.
Congrats.
Yes.
So what do you do? Like what is Ladies Learning Code? What are the types of things you do and why is it important? We'll say, what do you do?
We set up workshops primarily for web development, but we also cater for other things like Photoshop and other desktop software. And recently we also got into AI machine learning. We had a workshop for that, for National Learning Code it was called.
Our primary goal is basically to increase digital literacy skills for Canadians.
Right.
So this extends the breadth of coding and design applications and even introducing kids to coding programs.
Yeah.
And I'm a layman, like right off the bat. AI I know is artificial intelligence, right? But tell me, I guess, take it back to, you're talking to, let's say my mom, but really talk to me about this. Like, what are some of the things you see and do, and what could somebody experience when they came to one of your workshops?
Sorry, go ahead.
Sure. All the workshops have an incredible opportunity for you to kind of learn on what you already know. So you have people come in who, maybe they're just starting a business and they decide to do our HTML and CSS workshop. And from there, they have a couple photos, but at the end of the program, they have a page website and they have the skills kind of to learn and the tools to know how to move on. And that's really what it is. It's really building on foundation of an already existing or non-existing literacy capacity.
Okay, so some website stuff, and tell me a bit about it, because actually I'm going to go to one on Scratch. I know I had a back scratcher for that, but my daughter, she's going to learn something. I don't know what it is, video games or something. Tell me a bit about that one.
So our Scratch workshop is targeting towards kids. So Scratch is a platform that's available through MIT. It's completely online, as well as you can download the offline version, so kids can continue to edit their projects. But it basically teaches them the principles of logic. So if-then statements. If I want my character to move this way, what must I do to make that happen? So the idea behind this workshop coming up on October 28th is actually going to be on making a game, a fully functional game.
Welcome back to Kingston Change Makers. We're here with mentors from the Kingston chapters of Ladies Learning Code. Tina, Robert, and Scott, thanks for joining.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks.
So tell me, mentor, that sounds like a big responsibility, No. What do you do, like mentoring with Ladies Learning Code?
So the mentors are individuals who have some sort of working experience with whatever program is being offered, and we're there to help the participants. So if they have any questions or if they're struggling with their code, we just hop over and give them a hand.
Okay. And so why do you do this? You guys are volunteers, right? Or you help and tell me why do you come in on your time and mentor coding?
Yeah, so since I've got like some skills in web development, I figure why not kind of help people out, because I would have obviously appreciated the help if it were available to me. So since I'm able to provide that, I figure why not? And it also kind of gets me out of the house and moving around.
Yeah.
Oh, that's key. What about yourself?
I agree with Rob and Tina. It's a great way to get out and meet some folks in the community. But also I would say, I've been a web developer for 17 years now, and you get to a point where you realize how fast the industry moves, and you sort of ask yourself, do I know enough? Do I actually know what I think I know? And so when I started mentoring with Ladies Learning Code, I was able to come out to the events, and I sort of realized that these people are learning, and they actually really appreciate me being there with them and helping them to learn these new skills. And I did have skills. I did have just the knowledge to share, which was really cool feeling for me.